Hey there, fabulous parents. Welcome back. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of sight words, those sneaky little words that pop up everywhere and are essential for early reading success. So what exactly are sight words? These are words that kids should recognize instantly without having to sound them out. Think of the words be, and, is, and it. Knowing these words help kids to read more smoothly and boosts confidence. Because let's face it, nobody wants to be the kid who trips over the word the in a book. Why are sight words so important? Well, they make up a large chunk of the words in early reading books. When your child recognizes these words quickly, they can focus on understanding the story instead of getting stuck on every single word. It's like giving them a VIP pass to reading. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about flashcards, but research shows that relying solely on visual memorization isn't the most effective method. Malia Hollowell, author of The Science of Reading in Action, recommends a different approach, teaching sight words by organizing them into phonics patterns. For example, you could group short A words like at, and as together, or short I words like in, is, and it. This way your child is learning both the words and the skill at the same time. One effective technique is to use sound mapping, and it involves 4 easy steps. Number 1, tapping out the sounds. Start by saying the word out loud and have your child tap out the sounds they hear. For example, for the word fit, they would tap 3 times. It. Number 2, mapping the sounds. Next, use a manipulative like counting chips to represent the different sounds. For the word fit, you would use 3 chips, 1 for each sound they tapped out. And number 3, graphing it. Have your child write out the letters that correspond to those sounds. So for fit, they would write F-I-N-T next to their chips. And number 4, read it and write it. Encourage them to write the word again and read it aloud. It's a fantastic way to connect the sounds and the letters to reinforce learning. Next, we have sight word hunt. Write sight words on sticky notes and hide them around the house. As your child finds each word, they can sound it out and say it aloud. It's a fun scavenger hunt that turns learning into an adventure. Just try not to hide them places that require a search party, like in the sock drawer. Finally, incorporate sight words into everyday life. Point them out during snack time, on the road signs that you see when you are driving, or when reading together. Remember, learning sight words is all about patience and practice. Celebrate their successes, even if they're tiny. Every little victory counts. So give a cheer, do a little dance, treat them to a silly song. I mean, who doesn't love a good dance party? And if you're looking for additional resources to support your child's reading journey, check out the links in the description below. That's a wrap on teaching sight words. With a little creativity and lots of encouragement, you'll help your child unlock the world of reading. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on nurturing your little reader's journey. Until next time, keep the learning fun and lively. Bye for now.